Morning, counsel. This court would like to hear the balance of the witness's testimony. Has the witness been sworn in?
Yes.
You may proceed.
Mr. Proto, you believe a vehicle on a lease can suffer diminished value?
In some cases, yes.
But if a car is just a lease, then how could it lose its value? It can just be turned back in, can it?
The owner of the car didn't know it had issues when she purchased it. It had chronic issues, prevailing issues. She paid $55,000 for a car, but she didn't get a $55,000 vehicle.
And why is that?
It was a lemon law case. If I had the same two vehicles, side by side, one with a defect, one with no defect, would you pay the same amount per month for the one with the defects? The answer almost always is no.
Is it true, Mr. Proto, that this vehicle was sold as certified?
Yes. Then when we started digging into our proprietary data, we did some loss run reports. We found out that there was a prior incident prior to when the dealer sold the vehicle to my client. Thus, it went from being a diminished value claim into a dealer fraud claim.
That's all, Mr. Proto.
Understate and over-deliver. Well, that's what you'll get by choosing Auto Mediator.